Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to learn about some more strokes. As you have been learned about lines in our previous video, so today we will learn about curves. But we will take a recap of lines first. This is standing up line. This is sleeping line. This is right slanting line. This is left slanting line. Now we start curves. Do you know what is curve line? A curve line is the one that is not straight. This is right curve line. This is left curve line. This is up curve. And this is down curve. Now we will learn how to draw these. This is right curve. Now we will learn how to draw it. This is look like C. In the starting we will practice it on 4 dots. We will start it here and then finish it. We will start it here and then finish it. We will start it here and then finish it. And then we will practice it on 2 dots like this. Like this. This is right curve. Now see, this is left curve. The process will remain same. In the starting we will practice it on 4 dots like this, and then we will practice it on 2 dots like this, Now we will join the both curve, right curve and left curve, and make a big curve and a long curve like this. Right curve, left curve, right curve and left curve. Right curve, left curve, right curve and left curve. Hey, this is look like a snake. Practice it at home. Now let's see the up curve and down curve also. How we will draw it? We will draw it like this. We will draw in the starting, we will draw it on 4 dots like this. And then we will practice it on 2 dots like this. This is look like U. Now we will learn how to draw down curve. We will draw it like this. The process will remain same but in opposite direction. And starting we will draw in 4 dots and then we will practice it on 2 dots like this. Now we are going to draw combination of curves and lines like this. Now, my dear kids, practice these strokes at your home on these numbers. We will meet tomorrow again. Till then.